Why can pencils write on paper? One sunny afternoon, Sam was drawing when he wondered about Pippin's magic.
Hi Pippin. How can you write so well on paper?
Great question, Sam. Let me show you how I write.
Pippin began by explaining what a pencil is.
I'm a pencil made of wood and a special core called graphite.
Graphite? What does that do?
Pippin explained how graphite helps him write.
Graphite is a soft material that leaves marks on paper when I move.
So, that's why you can make lines and letters.
Pippin shared how pressure affects writing.
When you press harder, I leave darker and thicker lines.
And when you press lightly, the lines are lighter and thinner.
Pippin talked about the importance of his wooden body.
The wood makes me strong and easy to hold while you write.
That makes sense. It helps me control your movements.
Pippin explained the tools that help keep him ready for writing.
Erasers help you fix mistakes, and sharpeners keep my tip nice and pointy.
That's why I always keep my eraser and sharpener nearby.
Pippin shared why paper is perfect for writing.
Paper has a rough surface that helps me leave clear marks.
That's why my drawings and writing come out so nicely.
Pippin talked about the different kinds of pencils.
There are many types of pencils, like colored pencils and mechanical pencils.
That's cool. Each one can do something different.
Pippin explained how pencils are important for learning.
I help you write, draw, and learn new things every day.
Thanks, Pippin. You make learning fun and easy.
Pippin shared an interesting fun fact about pencils.
Did you know that pencils have been used for thousands of years?
Wow! Pencils are really old and still so useful.
The word pencil comes from the Latin word for little tail because of the graphite tip, pencil, sparkles,